Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a duotone photo effect in Photoshop. First up, open your Photoshop and make sure that you have this document size, which is 1920 by 1080 pixels. And then the resolution here is 72. And then the background content color is white. Now once you've created this one, let's go and add an image. So you can use the drag and drop feature. So right from here and then select the image, drag and drop. Right, for example here, we can now drag right here and then you can basically drag this image to customize or resize this one. So once done, go to the layers right here at the bottom right and then click on the adjustment layer and select on gradient map. And here on gradient map, go to the gradient editor. Now the first color here is currently in black, so we're going to change the color right from here, and we can manually change it by typing here 24206A. So this is the first color. Now the second one here, again manually input the color code, and this one here is 73D970. And then click OK button. Now once done, let's go to the adjustment layer. So right from here and then we're going to click on levels. Alright, so as you can see, this is the settings. So what we can do now, we can basically drag the button to basically get the correct level or color level on this one. So we're going to scroll down here. Alright, so as you can see, we have some options here. So scroll down, the first one here on the left side, we're going to adjust to 15. And then at the right side, we're going to adjust to 234. So there you have it. Now let's hold shift and choose the top two layers and click on folder icon to basically create a group. So there you go. Now we can name this as gradient map. Once done, choose the ellipse tool. So go to the left panel of your screen and basically find the ellipse tool. So here you just have to right click to basically find the ellipse tool. So right here at the bottom. So here and then select on this ellipse tool. And then we're going to choose the white color as the foreground color. And then here you just need to hold shift and draw a circle shape in this portion. So there you go. And then select the image layer. Now we're going to the select tab right here at the top left. Okay, select the image layer, then select, and then select on subject. So basically we're going to wait for a few seconds here. Alright, so once done, select on the circle layer and then add layer mask. There you go. And then select on the layer mask and then press on Ctrl I to basically invert it and then unlink. There you go. Now hold Alt plus drag on your keyboard to make a copy, but basically here, if you're going to hold Alt and then I'm going to drag it, so you can see I'm creating another circle. So this is not what I want to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to Ctrl J on your keyboard to create another copy and then Ctrl T. So if you're going to just use the move tool Then we have just limited space or limited move right here. So we're going to Control T on your keyboard. And then as you can see, you can drag it right over here. You can drag on the corners to resize it. There you go. So you can just customize this one and place it accordingly. So create another one. Now this time, if we're going to delete the layer, right? For example, I'm going to put right over here. Readjust the size. Okay, and then once done, I'm going to select the layer mask, and then I'm going to delete it by clicking on the delete icon. So as you can see, circle now is in front of that image. So yeah, you can customize your own design with this duotone effect. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next video.